Right.
Mr. Rabbit is the station master.
Wow.
How many tickets?
1, 10 teacher tickets and 1 ticket and 1 teacher child, please. Now, children, lose these tickets.
Can I see your tickets, please?
I've lost my ticket.
Oh, dear Pedro, you must be more careful.
There's your ticket.
Ho ho! Lose it again.
Here comes the train.
Rabbit is the train driver.
All aboard! Hello! Here are your activity sheets.
The children have to spot everything that is on the activity sheet.
I can see Grandad Dog.
Ahoy there!
Hello, Grandad. Is Grandad Dog on the list?
No, now shut up.
Tickets, please. Mr. Rabbit has come to check everyone's ticket.
I think I've lost my ticket.
Train is going slowly uphill. The train is going quickly downhill.
Madam Gazelle, yes, it will in front.
Okay, Pedro.